This video is presented to you by AEDmarket.com, and in today's video, we'll walk you through the process of replacing the pads and battery in the Philips FRX AED. For optimal preparedness in emergency situations, you'll want to keep the electrodes connected to your AED unit at all times. The adult electrode pads come with a 2-year shelf life, with the expiration date indicated on the packaging. It's recommended to change the pads upon reaching their expiration date or after using the AED. To install or replace the adult electro pads, open the case and extract them from the Velcro inside the case. Once opened, pull the tab, remove your old pads, and connect your new ones. The AED battery has a 4-year warranty, with both the expiration and installation dates marked on the battery's exterior. To install or replace the battery, if the AED is equipped with a case, remove it and flip the AED over. Go ahead and remove the old battery and insert the new battery until it audibly clicks. Keep in mind, this action initiates a self-test, which may take up to a minute. Once completed, the AED's rescue indicator should be flashing green, indicating readiness for your rescue mission. If you have any questions or would like to discuss purchasing options, visit us at www.aedmarket.com or call 1-800-441-8378.